Hey guys! Once again, we're excited to present you with another collection of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon. Links to all the products are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's go! Introducing the ARBORTECH Turbo Plane, a game changer for woodworking. With razor-sharp blades and precision engineering, it effortlessly shapes and sculpts wood. Fast, smooth, and easy to control, it's perfect for freehand and concave shaping. No cutting edge on the perimeter makes it ideal for templates. Get ready to take your woodworking to the next level. Say hello to the Hinge Drilling Guide 35mm, your go-to tool for flawless hinge installations. Just attach it to a standard grinder and voila! You can use it flat for large-level surfaces for precise sculpting. Installation and removal are a breeze, ensuring quick cutting without getting stuck. No more guesswork or uneven holes. This guide is compatible with most doors and cabinets. It never fails to provide consistent results. Are you tired of struggling with manual rivet installation? Are you looking for an effortless solution? Well, look no further. Have you met the Rivet drill attachment? This game-changing tool fits most drills and features a spin-pull-spin design for super tight fastening. It's compatible with different size rivets and has adjustable speed modes. You'll consistently achieve flawless results with its precise retrieving capability and sturdy build. You know those sharp edges after cutting materials can be a real pain. Well, say hello to the Deburring Knife. This nifty tool effortlessly removes those pesky burrs and rough edges, leaving you with a smooth finish every single time. It's not just for regular cutting, but also perfect for trimming the edges of your 3D printed plastic objects. Plus, it's a gem when it comes to the metal edges of auto parts and gears. The damaged screw extractor is a real lifesaver for those annoying stripped screws. No more headaches and wasted time. This set has 6 screw extractors that work with any drill and fit all screw sizes or bolts. Just 2 simple steps and you're done. Use the appropriate size screw remover to drill a hole, then easily extract the screw or bolt with the extractor tool by turning it counterclockwise. Introducing the Cobalt Step Drill Bit Set, the perfect companion for all your drilling needs. This set offers precise and clean drilling in various materials. The step design allows multiple hole sizes with just one bit. With its Cobalt construction, it's built to last and handle the most challenging tasks. No need for a pilot hole either, because it automatically deburrs holes as you drill. Best part? It's titanium coated to reduce friction and run cooler. Have you checked out the Microtech Siphon II Pen? It's the definition of style and innovation. This pen is a true marvel of engineering. It comes with a unique siphon system. Plus, the sleek design and premium materials make it a statement piece. Its perfect grip makes it ideal for everyday use or showcasing your taste. And here's the best part. Just flip to close the Microtech Siphon II Pen. Are you tired of dealing with stubborn stuck nuts? The Metal Nut Splitter Cracker is here. Effortlessly crack and remove even the toughest nuts with ease. Just choose the suitable nut splitter according to size requirements, adjust the position of the nut splitter tip, and you're good to go. Its sturdy build and high-pressure extraction Ensure the job gets done without a hitch. Don't let tight nuts hold you back any longer. Meet the multi-angle welding magnet, your ultimate welding assistant. It holds metal pieces at multiple angles for seamless welding. No more struggling with positioning. The solid magnetic force ensures a secure grip on ferrous materials, handling tricky angles like 90, 45, 60, 30, and 120 degrees effortlessly. Plus, its bright red color makes it easy to locate. The Spurter welding magnet comes with 6 powerful small magnets that stick solidly to any ferrous metal object. Introducing the Pocket Hole Jig Kit, your ultimate tool for strong and concealed joints. Effortlessly create perfect pocket holes for secure and professional-grade results. The double-chip discharge holes make sawdust easily removed from the jig. The dual-pocket 15 degrees bit angle allows you to create flawless joints. Once it's done, insert the wood, scrap off the excess, and you're good to go. Get yours now and elevate your woodworking game. The Universal Grip Wrench is your ultimate multitasking tool. It's designed for comfort with its ergonomic grip. Plus, no need for a whole toolbox. This wrench adjusts to fit nuts of all sizes, from cycle bolts to bike nuts and even water hose pipes. It's a real problem solver. Car engine nuts or gardening tools, you name it, it can fix it. Get your Universal Grip Wrench now and make your tasks a breeze. Say goodbye to struggling with tight spots or delicate surfaces. The vacuum cleaning dust brush with soft bristles gently sweeps away dust and debris from vents. You can dust around objects, cluttered Legos, computers, window blinds, lamps, artificial plants, and whatnot. Its flexible individual suction tubes go deep for thorough cleaning. Plus, it comes with a universal adapter. Also, this brush fits any vacuum. It's time to say hello to a cleaner car. Guys, that is all I have for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you the most. Bye-bye.